Classes or personal lessons. When you're determined to join a yoga class, make sure that you're joining a class whose level suits yours. Ensure that you join the class on the initial day as well, to avoid feelings of insecurity when you see others being able to deal with new yoga poses that boggle the mind. Second, choose a class schedule that you can regularly adhere to. If you only attend a class or two every 8 weeks, that's sort of defeating the point of joining a class. Lastly, select the yoga class that matches your preferences and skills. If you're not the social type, you can always try yoga practice at home and with the comforts of privacy. The only disadvantage to this, however, is the chance that you're not doing something right, and the possibility of causing harm to yourself. The best compromise would be to hire a private teacher for a lesson or two, or until you know quite enough to practice on your own.